Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to do this simple Snapdragon ink and wash painting using the Viviva Colors Metallic Colorsheets set. I'm starting off by getting out my Viviva Colors travel kit. This has a cute little A6 size sketch pad, and then it also fits my little color sheets. Viviva Colors is just a really sort of cool and eco-friendly company that creates these very lightweight transportable color sheets. So I'm just opening up my sketch pad. I've done a few other little videos and sketches mixing colors in here, so I'm going to do another one for you today. I've picked a Snapdragon from my garden, and I will start with a simple line drawing and get that down before I start mixing up the colors to match the flower. So this is my Viviva Color Metallic Colorsheet set, and it is a very nice little booklet, and it has quite a few beautiful metallic colors in it. I don't usually use metallic colors in my painting because I do more botanical painting with a little bit more towards realism, but I thought it would be really fun to try this out, and since we're doing sort of more of a color exercise with blending the colors for the flower and adding them as a abstract background, this is the perfect chance to explore this beautiful color set. So I'm mixing up some reds first for the flower. So I have the ruby red and the pink pearl here, and I'm just using the water brush that comes with the travel set and mixing them up on the little sheet that flips out. So that little side sheet is like a palette, and it's wipeable so you can reuse it. And I'm just experimenting with different concentrations of the color to see what I get. And this is more of a red color. The Snapdragon is a little bit more purple. So I'm just having a look here, and I'm actually going to take some of the purple from the regular color sheet set and mix it in with the metallics to get that deeper sort of burgundy color that will match my flower. Now I'm mixing up some greens. I'm just going to take some of the emerald color. This is again in the metallic color set. And then I'm going to flip over here and also take some of this other green, which is called Aurora, and just see what those look like and mix them up. Now I need this green to be less blue and more of like a yellow based green. There's no yellow in the metallic color set, but of course they do have gold. So I'm using gold as my yellow right now and mixing that in with the greens, and you can see it's worked really well to get more of that yellow green color that you see on the Snapdragon leaves. Now I have some basic colors mixed up. I'm also taking a little bit of the jade and experimenting with that. And I'm going to get started with creating my little color study here. So what I'm doing is taking a clean number 6 brush and wetting it with clean water over top of my pencil drawing. Now I am ready to drop in my colors, so I'm picking up those flower colors that I made, the maroons and sort of reddy pink colors, and just dabbing them in with my brush lightly, leaving some of the white space on the paper as well. I want to work swiftly so my paper still stays wet. You can see the water and the wetness glistening at the top there. That means it's still wet enough to drop in color. If it dries up and it's not glistening anymore, then I'll have to stop adding color and clean my brush out and add more clean water. You can see I'm just doing that at the bottom here because it was drying up, and I want my colors to blend and spread out, and that's really the beauty of working with watercolor. And so I'm adding just a little bit of the green up into the flower area there, and again leaving white space. It looks kind of funny at first, but the color does spread out and smooth out, and then it becomes a really beautiful wash. So here is the basic little exercise without being dry. I've got my colors, my flower, and then I went ahead and dried it with a hairdryer so that the color set. So you can still see some of the beautiful metallic look with the dried watercolors, and now I'm using the pen in the travel set to go over top of my pencil drawing, which I can still see, so that I have a nice defined ink and wash little painting. Okay, so that wraps up this quick and simple painting project. I hope you give it a try. If you would like to try the Viviva Color Metallic Colorsheet set as well, you can get 10% off with the link in the video description below, and check out any of the other cool products they have, like this travel sketch pad kit that I have as well. And you can get 10% off all of their products again with my link, and it really helps support my channel. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.